I recently read a story in Civil Eats about the state of Florida's battle with citrus greening disease. It's a tree killer spread by a bug called the Asian citrus psyllid. Florida's battle highlights the wicked problems created by monoculture. Monoculture simply means the mass planting or raising of one genetically identical species, plant or animal. A monoculture produces lots of affordable human food, but it also creates a haven for pests and disease. Citrus greening is decimating the nearly 500,000 acres of Florida oranges. Growers' concern has sparked the spraying of a medically important antibiotic called oxytetracycline. Besides pneumonia and other serious infections, this important drug is used to treat the ubiquitous STD, chlamydia. The widespread use of antibiotics in agriculture is risky business, speeding development of resistant killer bacteria. Public health officials have been ringing alarm bells about this for years. But how will we stop this destructive disease? Advocates of CRISPR, the latest form of gene modification, argue this is a perfect place to employ their technology. They say scientists could edit out the genetic pathways that allow citrus greening to attack. I have less problems with CRISPR than the older GMOs we associate with Monsanto. Yet, the issue of ownership and profit sharing and the lack of systems to prevent unethical uses of CRISPR persist and reveal the risks. For example, a rogue Chinese scientist recently edited live human embryos. He's been sanctioned, but the genie is out of the bottle. The Civil Eats piece highlights one alternative approach to combating the disease. Tents are placed over trees to superheat them and slow the bacteria. This is more expensive and logistically challenging for growers than spraying the oxytetracycline, so most will likely want to spray rather than tent. But the real issue here is monoculture. Whether toxic pesticides, antibiotics, CRISPR, or tents, none will work forever. Scientists must constantly change pesticides, antibiotics, and flu vaccines to keep up with the bug and bacterial evolution. So, we must embrace this race to stay ahead and end the search for silver bullets. We need an agricultural research agenda that is holistic and seeks to enhance a plant's or animal's natural immune response, to build healthy soil as well as maximize the populations of beneficial animals, insects, fungus, and bacteria on any farm or ranch. This is the best path to eliminate the need for antibiotics and toxic chemicals in our agriculture and food. To hear more thoughts on healthy food and farming, please subscribe to this podcast. And don't miss 2 related upcoming episodes of Flipping the Table. On March 12, I will talk with Howard Yana Shapiro of Mars Inc. about his work to save the orphan crops of Africa using the latest gene technologies and ownership protocols that, in my view, are ethical. On March 26, I will talk with grape grower and former CEO of Fetzer Vineyards, Paul Dolan, about why regenerative agriculture is better for us all. I hope you'll join us. And thanks for listening to these 4 minutes on healthy food and farming.